Are you tired of getting denied credit because of your high utilization? Did you know that there's ways to hide the utilization from the bureau? Percent of our score is determined by our utilization. So that's 30% is determined by the utilization. Now, as a real estate investor, my utilization stays high because I use my credit cards to purchase properties. So in order to maintain an 800 credit score and keep my utilization low, what I do is I hide the utilization from the bureaus. And I do that by, let's say, I have 5 cards. I'm gonna label this group A and then group B. So what I do in order to maintain a low utilization is I use my cards from group A to pay down my cards from group B. And then I use my cards from group B to pay down my cards from group A. And I do this every month. So if I buy a property and I don't know what I'm gonna do with the property, I bounce the balances back and forth between my cards until I figure out what I'm gonna do with the property. And then if I sell the property, then I'll use the proceeds from the sale to pay down my debt.